it has affected the country, as we are known to be a winning country, and the expectation was that we qualify and do well in the AFCON. So the National Executive Committee has sincerely apologized for that. And the National Executive Committee had said that they will sit around again and come with strategies on how to deal with that. But before we get to the second part of what we are sent by the NEC, I will give the NEC member and the chairman of technical committee, Mr. Maluleke, to just take the members of the media on the procedures of appointing a coach and all that follows in that space. Mr. Maluleke.
Thanks very much, CEO, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You'd remember the committee that is chaired by myself. We recommended the coach Olive Ntseki, to be the head coach of Bafana. And our recommendation went to the NEC, where the NEC agrees that the coach should take over as a head coach of Bafana. And that's the procedure. The appointment of the coach is made at the level of the NEC. Our job as a technical committee, we recommend coaches. Nobody else recommends coaches. It is the technical committee that recommend coaches. And for the appointment, it's done at that level. So we said we should put this straight because we're told that the technical committee must meet and fire the coaches or hire the coach. We don't hire the coach, we don't fire the coach. However, we recommend the coach that should lead in all these national teams.